Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I remind as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the words Spot and Media. We begin with the very latest happenings with Hurricane Irma, which began lashing southern Florida as a Category 3 storm today. As much as 20 inches of rain has been predicted through Wednesday across the Florida Peninsula and southeast Georgia, and the authorities are still concerned about the major storm surges, especially along the Florida Keys. More from the CNN.
Hurricane Irma is expected to make landfall in Florida Sunday after a crushing cruise along Cuba's northern coastline Saturday. Florida Governor Rick Scott is urging residents who did not or could not evacuate in time to take shelter as the northbound storm makes its way towards Florida. Governor Scott says some 50,000 Floridians have already moved to one of the 260 shelters across the state. More than 5.6 million people have been ordered to evacuate as Florida's coasts face massive storm surges, fierce flooding, and deadly winds. Conditions are beginning to deteriorate in South Florida as heavy rain from the outer bands move in. Hurricane Irma is expected to gain strength over the next several hours while Florida braces for impact.